to the next video. In this video, we are demonstrate another real-time project, and this project is made up of using a PHP and MySQL. So before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel because we have uploaded loads of project with the different programming languages and also with the real-time use. So how you can see all the videos, just check the our YouTube channel. Inside that you will just go to the videos. After that you will see the loads of projects, the different programming languages, and also in a real-time use like ML, AI, and all other languages. So the complete detail of this project you can check from our website. You just need to type the updater.com. After that, the first project you will find laundry management systems. If somehow you are unable to find this project, you just type in the search bar and it automatically give you this project, laundry management system. Just select this project. After that you will see all the detail of this project, what are the requirements for this project, and what are the main features, what are the user modules have, and admin modules, technology, why this project is good for the students, and the screenshots. And if you're interested, you just buy this project. I will help you in the setup of this project through the Zoom call. So this is uh, now we just open the project here. This is the login panel. For the login panel, you just need to enter the credentials. If you don't have the credentials, you can register a new credentials as a user. I already have, so I use that credentials test at the rate gmail.com, and password is also same. Okay, now I have opened the user dashboard. Inside user dashboard, we have the my order, complete order, in progress, pending, and total spended amount. Like in a real time, if I am the user and I am sending some clothes to for the laundry, so the total amount that I have spent it is the main concern, that how much I have spent it on this. So I can see the total spended amount in here and the total orders, so that I can adjust my clothes according to the my spending amount. So like in a real time we use these things. So now I just go to the new request for sending a new request. This was my last request, the status of that request is completely complete, and the price I have spent it is $102. And the service that I have, like wash and fold and iron and dry clean. We can see all my requests from here. These all are my requests. Now I just go for the new request. It automatically show the price that the admin has set it. Admin can also change the price at the admin panel, but now I am just going to sending a new request. Pickup date is 16, and pickup timing I am just selecting like PM. Okay, delivery date is this, and this is the estimate delivery date. You can add or adjust according to the admin panel. Admin can change their details. Now, the wash items. I have one item. It automatically show the $11, and if I go with the wash and iron, now it automatically change the estimate total. Like it counting these two amounts and show the dynamically amount that the user has to pay, and try and clean one. So the total amount is $71 for this. If I increase any item in the washing, like if I just increase this item wash and fold, so it will automatically increase the amount as the price of this wash and fold items. Now this estimate total is for $82. If I just submit the request, then I need to pay $82 to the admin. And what we can do, we can in future, or if you want to add at your end, While sending the request, it will navigate to the pricing page. Then the user has to pay that amount, and then it reflects at the admin panel that user has paid this amount. If I go to the dashboard, then it will show the total amount that I have spent is 184, and the status of the new request that recently we have sent it to the admin is pending. We can see my profile. We can change our password. So this is the admin panel that admin can do. Now we just log out this panel and open as admin at the rate update gut.com, and the password is admin. Okay, I think we had made some mistake. Update admin at the rate update gadh.com, and the password is admin. Okay, now we have successfully logged in as admin dashboard. Now we can see that the total order and the total customers, total revenue that we have till now collected in the dollar, in the rupees. We can convert this into dollar. uh, how we can convert, I will show you that also. And the action order is, for action order means that we have to cancel or in progress or we have completed. Like these are the three pending, one is in progress, one is complete. So these are the four in action order, and one is complete order. This will show you the graph that changes accordingly. This is the monthly revenue, and this is the yearly revenue. Now manage requested. On the manage request page, we can see that pending, progress, and complete. We can also filter the request, like if I just select the pending and filter, so it automatically show me the all the pending requests that are the sent by the users. So we update the status of this pending to progress, and now we have the two progress stage. We can also see that these are automatically changes with the real time, like 7, like 11 Jan 2026, and the time is 8:56. These are changes with the real time based. Now the status of this request has been changed in a progress way. Again, we go in a progress to complete. Now the time is also changed, or we can select as a cancel. We can just complete it. After completing, we can see on the notification. Now the time has changed. The laundry status for the ID 12 has been changed to complete. So it automatically sended the notification to the admin panel. We can send this notification to the user also, but I don't use that functionality right now. We can add it in a later way. Now admin can also add a request at the admin panel. If admin want to add any user request, so they can add from here. Like they select the user, the user that have already registered to the website, and then delivery date, pickup date, delivery time, and pickup time. Now manage users, these all are the users that have registered right now. So we can delete any users. We can also change, or we can edit as a user, the user type as admin or customers. And after that, we have the manage price. We can also manage the price, like if I want to increase the price, I can increase or I can decrease. And after that, update the price, like I just select 11.01. Now it will automatically increase the price here. This is the report that we can see. The report generate, uh, like we can see the total revenue, total average revenue, complete order, and generate report. It automatically generate the report of that same month. Like I'm selecting from 1 Jan to 11 Jan. So it's showing this. If I just select on the today, and so it will show only the one order and the total amount of that order. Like real time, as an admin can also see the total revenues and the how much they have earned. We can sell it project. We can see all the details of this revenues in the admin dashboard. Now the notification, I have already shown this notification panel. This is the my profile, and we can log out from here. So this is all about this project load management system in advanced level. What you can add in future, if you want to add like the real-time payment, you can add, and also you can add the notification from the admin to the user, like on the user panel they can see only their notification can be seen. Or we can see that we can add an status column at the user end. Whenever admin can change the status, it automatically reflect at the user end, like the complete to, like in progress to complete, or new pending to in progress. So whatever admin has changed, it will automatically reflect on the user end. So this is all about this project. Thank you for watching this video.